Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to switch your Instagram account to a personal account and how to do that. So let's hop into Instagram, but first let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So maybe you have a professional account or a business account and you want to go back to a personal account. That's no problem, we can do it very easily. So I'm on my profile right now. Go to the three lines on top, click on it, click on the first one, settings, and then search for account. Maybe you have to scroll down a bit. Then scroll all the way down until you see those blue lines. And the lowest says add new professional account because we already have one, but no thank you. And the other one says account, switch account type. So let's click on the above. And here you can choose to switch to a personal account or switch to creator account. And of course you want to switch to personal account. So if you want to switch to a personal account, let's hit this button and then all is set and done. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions left, please ask me. Thank you.